everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for a ZenDesk account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change the password of your ZenDesk account so that you can make your account more secure from possible threats, then here's how to do it. First, open up a web browser and in the search address bar, type in www.zendesk.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your ZenDesk account. Click the sign in button at the top right and log into your account by entering its credentials. And once you're inside your ZenDesk account, from your main home screen of ZenDesk, click on your profile icon at the top right. In the pop-up, click on View Profile. Select Security Setting as soon as you end up in this page, and now right next to password, click the change button. Enter your current password in the first text box, enter the new password you would want to change to in the next field, and verify your new password in the last field. Retyping the new password again, and finally click save at the bottom in order to save your change. Doing this will sign you out of your ZenDesk account. Enter the new password that you just changed to and click sign in to get access to your account back again. That is how you can easily change the password for ZenDesk account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.